इंडिया आज भी इनफैक्ट फिलीपींस में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. So I feel proud that men's are making big noise on international. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Everyone is into wellness. अगर जो नहीं भी है उनको भी मैं बोलूँगी wellness पे आओ. So I am into wellness. I'm a wellness entrepreneur and I create health supplements, which is the need of the hour because nutrition पूरा रखना है and nutrition से ही आपको proper health and wealth मिलेगी. The future plans of the brand, please tell us. Build on it. Okay, so a lot of new products are coming up. A lot of exciting products are coming up. Vegan protein, vegetarian protein is a new launch. Collagen is one of them. Flavored collagen is something which is very exciting and people are loving it. So yeah, we're gonna work continuously in formulations and bring out the best for everyone out there. Thank you so much.
Been working together for last plenty of ages, like years and all. So this time we have come with something new. वेंचर्स एंड एवरीथिंग विच थोड़े टाइम में आप लोगों को अमित खन्ना और बाकी लोगों से पता चलेगा. और बस आप लोगों की वजह से हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे और आगे भी आप लोगों की वजह से आगे भी जाएंगे और हमारे सारे और एसोसिएट्स मेंबर्स की वजह से हम बहुत अच्छा कर पाए. उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स. और टू यू.
I think that we got a spectacular group of 16 contestants made it to the top 16, and each of them has put in a lot of hard work and it's showing they work well. The entire team from Mr. India has looked at them and they have brought them to a level of confidence, of charisma, of putting themselves up there in front of everyone, and I think each of them have put their best foot forward to make us so proud of each of them.
Every contestant is a major, there's always a special one, and if you actually
It's again surprise for everyone. So I think for that you need to wait for a few more minutes. So let's see. The best one will win, I'm sure about it.
My favorite is Pankaj because he is the person who's doing the maximum amount of work. And as far as the guys go, I think each of them have worked hard. So yeah, the best guys will definitely.
Thank you.
मैं तो इसलिए आई हूँ कि मुझे देखना है कि मतलब जो मिस्टर इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट हो रहा है लड़कों के लिए हो रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी जाकर देखूँ कि कितना मतलब कौन कौन है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. We've seen women so much on the ramp. They are more interesting. They're like to see. What is your take for men? There are very few platforms. See, मैं मिलियंस ऑफ मेरे बहुत फेवरेट है और मुझे देखना है कि उनकी तरह कौन हो सकता है आगे चलकर कौन सुपर मॉडल बन सकता है, कौन ऐसा मिस्टर इंडिया बन सकता है. सो मैं इसलिए एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई वांट टू सी. सिंगल है.
I think 21 years of such a contribution to the Mr. India, it's a very big achievement, and being the only male, so good because हम हमेशा फैशन शोज जाते हैं. We see so many pageants having male, female और only female, and females का जो फैशन शोज और pageants होते हैं, they're so popular, so keeping the men alive, that's really great. So wishing Rubru very happy 21 years. Yeah, I'm so happy to be a part of this today. No. Thank you. Yes, please. Roll.
Yes,
India 2025 Championship event.
I am here for the Rubru Mr. India 2025, and as I see a lot of potential people who are trying for the title tonight. At one corner, Miss World is happening, and tonight we're choosing a Rubru Mr. India. So wishing all the participants all the best. May the best one win.
Thank you so much.
I'm doing.
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm great. So I'm here for the grand finale of 21st Rubru Mr. India. I'm really looking forward to watch the show, meet the incredible team that has put this together, the amazing pool of talent, and the hot, young, sexy, intelligent men. Actually, I'm really excited to meet Mr. India tonight.
I'm looking so beautiful.
इस चीज़ हम यहाँ पर बता रहे हैं मिस्टर रूबरू मिस्टर इंडिया इवेंट यहाँ पर चालू है। क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे और क्या कुछ आप ढूंढते हैं कि मिस्टर इंडिया?
देखिए, मैं बहुत सारे ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स फॉर मेन एंड फॉर वुमेन होस्ट कर चुका हूँ। बहुत सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स को ग्रूम भी किया है। मेरी खुद की शुरुआत आज से कुछ साल पहले आई स्टार्टेड विद अ पैजेंट, तो तब हमें पता नहीं था कि स्टेज पे कैसे बिहेव करना है। और जो इस तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं, आई थिंक दे गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस स्टेज पे आने का, लोगों को फेस करने का, आप सबके सामने रूबरू होने का। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म। मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ मे द बेस्ट मैच।
मिस्टर इंडिया 2025 चैंपियंस इवेंट में आप शरीक में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं पहले कहना चाहूँगा कि जितने भी कंटेस्टेंट हैं सबको ऑल द बेस्ट। और ये जो कॉन्टेस्ट होता है ये इजी नहीं होता सबके लिए, बिकॉज आपको अपना बेस्ट दिखाना होता है। हर एक इंडिविजुअल के साथ आप कम्पीट करते हो। तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द कंटेस्टेंट। और मीडिया को थैंक यू कि आप सब आए, आप इतना प्यार दिया। और आई थिंक शो बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है। आई थिंक लास्ट टाइम अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था, पर इस साल मैंने कहा मैं मिस नहीं करना चाहूँगा। बट डेफिनेटली अब कहते हैं श्री जगन्नाथ जी का जब आशीर्वाद हो सर पे तो सब होता है अच्छा। मिस्टर रूबर
मैम आपके आगे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। कंटेस्टेंट को देखना चाहूँगी कौन जीत रहा है, क्योंकि अंदर ऑलरेडी चल रहा है अभी फाइनल राउंड। सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड। कौन है इस साल का मिस्टर रूबरू इंडिया? थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Winner of 21st Miss India, how proud are you?
Actually, more than me, my parents, Pankaj sir, Manav sir, and my fellow contestants, everybody who supported me and who believed in me, they all are more proud than me. And this is a really exciting and unfathomable moment for me. I still can't believe I'm the winner. I manifested this, and now this is true, so I'm really, really happy.
Did you know that Madhuram is going to take the sash of being a winner?
Oh yes, from the day one. Because he was best in all activities. Apart from that, his space, he got many subtitles from Best Photogenic to Face of the Year and Fitness as well. So from day one, and I think he's the first Mr. International title with a less height. So he wanted to make a statement that height doesn't matter, it is a talent.
See what Pankaj just said, that from day one we were like, because the hard work we can see it out when we choose it from the audition level. So definitely, and again the hard work you can see it out from last 2 months. He's like working very hard, and today the result you can see it out. Say.
This is a really special moment for me. From that side to this side, the journey has been really tough, but it has been really exciting and really fun. And thank you for all the love and support that everybody who has believed in me, everybody who has supported me, everybody who cared for me, and this is for all the people who have helped me in my journey. I still can't thank each one of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good evening everyone, how are you all doing?
All good.
Fine. Super excited to announce that I'm finally a winner of Mr. India, and been working hard for this for past 5 years, 5 months now, and really excited to represent India on Manor International, where once legends like John Abraham, Neeru Moria once went. So super excited and proud to represent our country. Thank you so much for coming here.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Rakesh Mosekar and I am Mr. India Rubru 2025 Mr. Global, and I'll be representing India coming soon. And I would like to thank Pankaj Karbanda sir, Manav Ranka, Vishal Thavani and Parimal Mehta, Amit Khanna and many others. Thank you for this opportunity. I love you all and I love my India. Rubru Mr. India 2025.
Because this pageant, when you do it, so jeetna harna for a second it's okay, but you guys reached here, that is the biggest thing, and I hope I pray all the best for your future and keep
दीक्षिता जी आप विनर हो,
हाँ
आप ही विनर हो।
मैं भी विनर हूँ ना, मैं तो पता इसलिए तो बोल रही हूँ कि जो स्टेज पे हालत होती है मुझे मालूम है क्या होती है, यू नो इट्स नॉट इजी, सो यू रीच हियर, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट थिंग।
First, Parimal, Amit and everyone on the team, all the boys, all dapper looking men over here, and congratulations for such a big feat. It's been a wonderful it's been a wonderful experience to be here because I come from the background of fashion, and then whenever I come from fashion, so I know all the adrenaline that is there, all the anxiety that is there, and well, the world is your oyster now, so congratulations, God bless you.
मैम पूछिए।
हाँ सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो मिस्टर इंडिया हुआ है रूबरू तो?
वेल पहले तो मैं पंकज और अमित को ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट कहना चाहूँगा एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर बीइंग वन ऑफ द मोस्ट sought after male pageant, and congratulations to all the winners, जो winners है, and I think everybody was a winner in their own right. जितना भी मैंने देखा है, I've come a little late, but जितना भी मैंने देखा है, I think all the guys were super amazing. And चूँकि मैं casting में भी हूँ, मैं casting भी करता हूँ, तो I urge all the winners and all the contestants to come and contact पलाश दत्ता. मैं उन लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं hopefully casting करूँगा. So all the best to all you winners and keep shining.
I'm very happy as Blank Canvas Media. It is my recurring year to be a part of not only training the talents but also show directing. So it's fun. It's always very intrigued. There are beautiful talents who come up all across India, and we're very happy to make sure that we put them and send them internationally. Thank you.